I still remember 2 years ago when everyone was going crazy about crypto. Every day, new companies were forming, new coins were being floated. Even the coins which didn't have any use case, any paper, or nothing in the background, they were being sold for lot of amount. Now, fast forward 2 years, crypto is in deep trouble, and crypto winter is truly here, and you don't see those coins any longer. Most of them have been fizzled out, and even the coins which were being promised to have a long future are nowhere to be seen. Now, people have started wondering, is AI destined for the same sort of fate or not? For instance, you can see that on your screen there is this website of the company Mistral.ai. This is a company which is a French startup that is only 4 weeks old, and it has already closed a US dollar 113 million round of seed funding to compete against OpenAI, despite having no product and only recently hiring staff. And if you go to this website, you will see that they are still advertising that they need product developers, software engineers, and researchers. And also, we don't see that there is any product, what exactly they are doing, how they are competing with OpenAI. I'm not saying that they are a scam or anything like that. I'm sure they'll be great and all that stuff. But I'm just trying to make a point that it's really a sign of something very, how, how should I put it, euphoria happening around a technology when there is no product, but yet they are able to secure a seed funding of more than $100 million in US. So, and this is not just a case with Mistral AI. Investments in AI companies are soaring, and many tech startups are rebranding themselves as AI focused to cash in on the trend. Now, that does seem frothy. Extreme valuations of companies that haven't actually done anything yet are signs of a potential bubble in the startup space, as I think. Now, well, I think that during the dot-com era, startups were promoting themselves as something internet focused and all that, and now same is happening with AI. Every startup has AI in its name, and everyone is saying that they are AI focused in a bid to boost their valuations. Having said that, I believe that this time is different. And I know that in investment people say that this time is different, but I'm talking about this new information age. Artificial intelligence is totally different from crypto space. Artificial intelligence has a real use case. We can already see lots and lots of products out there. We can already see that a lot of new companies doing great work, and that is why I am quite confident that this new Mistral AI is also going to build a real good generative AI model when it comes out. It is not some ICO or initial coin offering like crypto. I think this is different. This has a real use case. This is a real value and actual future, because this is doing something in the real world in a real sense. So I believe that there is substance to the AI boom, and I don't think so that it is in the bubble territory, and and it is not a fad which has come and will pass. I don't think so. But yes, we do need to find a balance, because we all know that AI is here to stay and that will replace a lot of things. But I think too much euphoria, too much excitement is not good, because it is also not only creating a sense of uh, I would say bubble, but also a doomsday feeling that AI is going to take over, that will disrupt everything, take away our job and all that. I think we need to be realistic and then move forward. I'm very keen to hear about your opinion. Thank you.